Hi, this is Ricky, one of your TAs from 1004.
And I'm Ben, another TA from 1004. And today we'll be showing you some Codio tips and tricks and how to compile in Java.
All right, so if we take a look at the Codio home view as a student, you'll notice a couple of classes. It should be only one for you, probably. 1004, if you click on that, you'll see a couple of projects that may exist for you. Right now, it should be the lecture one and the programming project one, most likely. If you click on it, it will bring up a new window, and it will basically be a virtual box, your machine, where you can kind of play around with the code, compile it, and just edit it and stuff. So if we can take a look at this, the first thing that comes up is a README file. Of course, we'll provide a README file for your programming project. So you can take a look at that. It will provide instructions on what we're expecting, what you should be doing, and just general instructions, right? On the left-hand side, you'll find the current files located in this directory. So you can kind of think of that as folders if you're more used to Windows. And on the left-hand side, if we click heydude.java, you'll find the file we're working with today. And it's just a really simple print program, I guess. And yeah, if we click on tools on the menu bar right in the middle, you'll find a variety of tools. What we're going to work with today is the terminal page, though, or the program.
And so from here, this is essentially a version of Linux, which is just basically a way that you can deal with files. So one of the first things you may want to do is list your files that you have. You can do that with the ls command. And you can see here we have all the files that you see on the left. So then what we want to do here is actually compile our file. So I'm going to type out javac, which stands for Java compile. Here, this just basically turns it into instructions that the computer can understand. And so we'll go ahead and type out heydude.java. And we'll compile it. And whoa,
now,
we have 2 errors.
Whoa. You'll notice a couple of errors on our screen, but thankfully, Java tells us what it thinks might solve these errors. Now, the first error we're running into is the line that says heydude.java, and now that's telling us what file it thinks the error is located in, and the colon, and then there's a number after that colon, right? Now, that number signifies the line number it believes the error is located in. And it also tells you in plain English, cannot find symbol. And there's an arrow right under the greeting variable. Now, if we go back to the heydude.java, you'll notice we are missing a type declaration. And as you know, in Java, we do have to declare that it is a string in front of the variable we're declaring. So if Ben types in string here, notice the lint or the highlighting change a little bit, which is very cool. And also, if we go back to the error terminal for the error, another error we had was line number 5, cannot find symbol, but that was the greeting variable referencing that variable. So let's try compiling this again, and there's still another error. Now this time it's a semicolon. As you know, you have to put in semicolons right after pretty much every single statement in Java. And this time is referencing line 5, right after system.out.println greeting. So if we go back to that the file, we are missing a semicolon. So if we put that in, we should be out of the water now.
So if we go ahead and recompile and we run it, ooh, not in all caps. So here we just want to say, hey, dude, after we've done it, we don't need to add anything else. And we can see it did our greeting.
Awesome.
So here, Ricky, if we want to go ahead and change it again, so it can get kind of annoying to flip back and forth between these two. So one of the things you might want to do is go to the view, and if you go to layouts, and then you can either choose between 2 columns. And so in this case, we'll have to reopen our files. And then let's actually drag this one over here. And you can put your terminal on left and right, or you can switch to two rows, which might be more useful. You can split them up. And so this first one we'll want to put is our file. And if we click down here, we can add our terminal. So then
Nice.
if we wanted to change the greeting to, hey, what's up, dude? And we want to go ahead and run it again. Oh, it didn't change. So in this case, it didn't change our the output because we forgot to recompile it. So after you make any kind of change in your file up top, you have to go ahead and recompile it. So if we recompile it and then run it, now we can see it says, hey, what's up, dude? But then if I wanted to say, hey, Ricky, I could actually recompile it and say we had more than one file. Java C star.java will compile every single file in our folder. So then we can run it again. And if we've typed H, we can hit tab and it'll autocomplete for us.
Nice.
Along this whole time, I've been using the up arrow to see the last command that we used. So we run that again. Hey, Ricky. And so that really covers all of our tips for you today.
Yeah, if you had any questions, further questions, of course, you can always email us. You can post on Ed. You can visit our office hours, which are located in the Google Calendar. Yeah, if you had any more questions regarding compiling in Java, Codio in general, we're here for you.